got some scratches over here. Oh, it started raining now. Great, you can see the rain. Yeah, this is the weather for England, so as to be expected. Anyway, I've got 240 grit. This is the only one I have right now, but I think that's fine enough. Don't you just hate these stickers? Because they will not come off without leaving any mark. Of course. Now we need to clean it. Any dust needs to come off. Here's a little trick I learned from a painter. If you warm up some water, not boiling water, so shake it up well. Lukewarm water. Just leave it there for a bit to warm up, and then we go and paint. Third and last coat. This fender mudguard was originally fitted on the Moped, but I said I wanted these straight angles because it matches the rear one, the rear wheel fender. But what I didn't pick up on is that this is meant to be fixed here, and I'm not actually sure where this is meant to be fitted or how. Also, the cable plastic bit that comes here, where does it go there? There's no holes for that. So maybe I should have fitted it before I paint it. Okay, ready to be fitted. It's not the best finish. After I drilled the hole, I had to paint it again and it didn't turn out too good, fortunately. I already fitted this. It's the only one. And I managed to drop it. So yeah, that's what happens when you don't plan ahead properly. I'm also still thinking about this, if I want it fitted or not, but I'll give it a try and see how it turns out. No matter how nice you try, and I bet if I melt it, it's gonna be even worse. It's just spare yourself some money. It's absolute rubbish. As you can see, I didn't flatten the mudguard here. You normally have it flattened like it's here. Instead, I made this. Basically, it's a washer, plastic washer, that I sanded in the shape of the mudguard. So it's gonna sit on it like that, and under there. It's gonna bring it closer to the tire, which I wanted anyway. So that's that. Butterflies. Anyway, wasting money. Oh, hello. So here's how it turned out. I'm fairly happy with it. No, it's not the way it's intended to be, because that's not the way it should be fixed. This is for a different type of fender. This one actually should be fixed from those two holes, and it comes somewhere there. But I insisted on these because just this band matches the rear band as well, so I think it suits it better. And I had to cut this short because it was really long. You can tell I heated it up to manage to bend it. And it gives about the same distance from the tire. And it works out really well with this setting it down as well. The plastic spacers that I made. There we are, kaboom.